like, subscribe and get notified.
The feast of Saint Cecilia was celebrated with great joy at Our Lady of Mercies Church Mercies on Friday. Musicians young and old from all over Goa participated in the Mass and thereafter played their instruments. Father Simon Dicunha, chaplain of St. Joachim Chapel, Borda, Father Arnoldo Pinho and other priests celebrated the Mass and blessed the musicians and their instrument. Saint Cecilia is the patroness of musicians and church music because, as she was dying, she sang to God. On the occasion of the feast of St. Cecilia on Friday, Father Simon Dicunha, chaplain of St. Joachim Chapel, Borda, prayed that the musicians through their music may bring happiness to all and peace of mind.
संतोष बरीत काळजान तुजी पवित्र सभा तुवें तांकां केल्यात. आमच्या सगळ्या संगीतकारांचेर तांच्या वाजोंत्रांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद आमी मागता. ह्या वाजोंत्रां वरवीं ते आपले उदारपोसण करतात, तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद घाल आनी बरे तरेन हें वाजोंत्र वाजोवन तांणी समाजाक खुशालकाय हाडूंक, ह्या समाजांत बरेपण हाडूंक, मनाक शांती दिवंक तूं तांकां सगळ्यांक आशिर्वादान भर. सर्वेस्पोर तुमची सवे आसूं. सर पदवेदार देव बाप आनी पूत तुमच्या वाजोंत्रांचेर तुमचेर आशिर्वाद घालूं.
Watch on Herald TV.